माय नेम इज गुरुदेव फ्रॉम कलसी एस्टेट और आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं रोमेल अल्योर which is coming up in Borivali East in Nancy Colony in Ashok One. Borivali East सभी जानते हैं बोरीवली it's a very good area. Nancy Colony is also a very developed area. And first of all, Romel developer is a very good developer. रोबल ने काफ़ी बिल्डिंग्स मुंबई में बनाई है और सबसे पहले मज़े की बात यह है कि इनका जो प्रोजेक्ट जो इन्होंने नया लॉन्च किया है इतनी मंदी के बाद, इतने कोविड के बाद, तो दैट मीन्स बिल्डर इज साउंड फाइनेंशियली एंड बिल्डर नोज हाउ टू डेवलपर नोज हाउ टू मैनेज द फंड्स एंड क्योंकि बहुत सारे डेवलपर्स जो है कोविड के पहले उन्होंने काफ़ी डेवलपर्स ने वाइंड अप कर दिया था, तो उनका तो कोविड के बाद आने का चांसेस थोड़ा कम है। पर यार अगर रोमेल इज कमिंग अप विद न्यू प्रोजेक्ट और एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट जो उनका ऑलरेडी चल रहा है, इट हैज नो प्रॉब्लम, इट इज रनिंग वेरी स्मूथ, दे हैव बीन पोजीशन आल्सो फॉर many buildings. So Romel is a very branded builder and blindly you can go for it. Now they are coming with Romel Allure at Borivali East. So it is very good project. I will share some PPT with you so you can. So, friend, this is elevation of the building, and building is very. I mean, elevation is very good, fantastic elevation. I think so. It has only one wing, and it's around 22-story tower with some level of podium parking, maybe basement parking भी शायद होगा इसमें. But elevation is absolutely very good. Or now I will just expand the screen to show the elevation. And right now the plinth is ready, so the first slab is ready. So I think so possession is around 2022. So not a very big gap. दो साल तो ठीक है for one building, for 22-story tower, one building, but it might take that much time. Or they are doing one good work. They are coming up with one building, or maybe with one small township. They are coming up. So ऐसे time पे when they take a small project and they complete in time, that is the biggest achievement, I say. Or secondly, title is clear of the project. Data number is there. Developer will complete in time, so you can go for it. You will get appreciation on this project also because it has 1 and 2 BHK flats, so you can get the appreciation also on this flat. Then there are other pictures also I would like to share with you. This is one of the this is same picture. One sec. Okay, this is floor plan. Floor plan I would like to. So, friends, this is night view of the building. Night when you see the elevation of the building, it will be very glamorous building. It has good compound and the trees around, and of course, it has all the amenities with swimming pool, health club, and everything. And this is floor plan. I will just expand the floor plan little so that I can also see it clearly. So there are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 flats are there on every floor, and two staircase and 1, 2, 3, 4 lifts. 4 lifts are there. So this is one flat. This is second flat over here. This is third, then fourth, fifth, and sixth. 6 flats are there. It has combination of 1 and 2 BHK. So let me share with you the exact size of 1 and 2 BHK. Let me open my mobile. One BHK area is 407. RERA carpet area is 407, and cost is 95 lakhs onwards. So it's a very reasonable price for 1 BHK. अगर 95 lakhs में अगर आपको टावर में मिलता है तो it's a very reasonable price. And 2 BHK is 567, which is 1.29 CR, and plus other charges separate. So again, this is a good price, fair price for 2 BHK. And the biggest thing is they are coming with 1 BHK and 2 BHK. This is the demand of the area basically now. People, they want to go into smaller flat because of the economic is down. So the major of them, they can't afford to go for bigger flat. So people are going for smaller flat. So if they are coming with smaller ticket size, this is not very small. 407 carpet is very reasonable carpet, and for 2 BHK 567 is also very reasonable carpet. So I mean, it's okay. Carpet areas are absolutely perfect. Position time they have mentioned 2022, and again the floor GPS plan I'm not able to share with you because it is not I'm not able to share it on the screen. But this is if you see, it is on the Borivali East, next to the highway at Kajupada. So this is from very close to Western Express Highway. I mean, the metro line is very close from there. And for if you want to travel up to Andheri and Ghatkopar and Andheri West, you can take a metro line which will be starting around 1.5 year time. And there is one more thing. Even if you want to travel by train, then Daisar station will be closer and Borivali station will be closer to you. If you're traveling to Churchgate, say, so from Borivali, trains are there, fresh trains are there. So you can take a train from Borivali. Ecosystem is very good of the project. You have all the amenities. Ecosystem is, I mean, very good of the project. Everything is there in Nancy Colony, right from school, colleges, doctors, hospitals, then restaurants, then ground, then good schools are there over there. And then whatever you say, everything. It's in the city basically. It's not out of city. When you cross Borivali, then comes the Daisar, and after Daisar there comes the toll naka, and after that you move out of Mumbai basically. So though this is out corner of Mumbai, but people from out all over the Mumbai, they are shifting in Kandivali and Borivali because of the price factor. And secondly, even though you are staying in Borivali or Daisar or Kandivali, you are still in Mumbai. For communication, it's very easy if you want to travel anywhere in Mumbai. So, friends, this is the end of our program, and I hope you like the section. And if you have any query, you can call me on 7400138561. I repeat again, 7400138561. 7400138561. My name is Kalsi. And let me share you something about the market also. Like, it is never too late. अगर आपने प्रॉपर्टी अभी तक नहीं बनाई है तो आप अभी शुरू कर सकते हैं बनाना. कल कभी नहीं आता है. करना है वो आज ही करना है. ऑप्शन आपके पास दो ही रहते हैं. एक तो डेवलपर को देखना है, उनका रेपुटेशन देखना है, रेरा नंबर देखना है, और प्राइस में वो ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू किल द टाइम. Pricing you have to see, of course, because the appreciation value also you have to see whether you are getting appreciation. So here in this project you will be getting after possession you will be getting around 30% appreciation. मैं आपको ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगा, कम बताऊंगा, ज़्यादा हो सकता है. So in this project you might get 30% appreciation.